Hello everyone, this is Perfect Storm Trading, June 16th, 2021. I'm going to follow up a little bit on what I was doing yesterday with these black dots that I put here from the black lines. In the XL Moon for the Ninja script, the green is what we primarily follow as far as our trend. The blue tends to be a trigger for the green line, and then these black spikes up and down tend to hit the exact highs and lows during these little trends. So I'm going to review some of them today. At about 150 this morning, we hit this one here. Was up here in a pretty consolidated area, but it did manage to come on down here about 8 or 10 points before it finished up. Our second dot was right here at this bottom, and this went up about 10 points. It doesn't look real big move, but this is about a 10-point move. Our third dot was here about 9:20 in the morning, and this was the high of the day. And from there, we pulled back significantly. This would have been a really good trade if you would have got in somewhere right in this area here. Our fourth dot comes in right here in this consolidation area. Again, if you're short on that, you could definitely got something down into here. Our last dot is really on here on the top. This was right here. It was about 1 minute off this bottom, right after the FOMC. We spiked back up big time into here. Now, to look forward into tomorrow, as I have said previously in videos, I'm not a financial advisor. I'm just showing you how I would trade this and how I am going to be trading this. I'm going to be looking at our low coming in here in the morning on the 17th at about 1:30 or so, and then we're going to be moving up from the green line all day long. So then I'll go back and I'll start looking for these spikes where they hit anything that's above 20 or below 20. You get one here at 8:20. This could be a peak here. The rest of the day, you might be at 9 o'clock tomorrow night before you hit one. Here at 14:50 we get a peak, and here at 5:07 we get a peak. So I'm going to be watching those pretty heavily. Also, this blue line is peaking out here at about 3 o'clock, so I'm going to be watching this time real closely. I'm going to quickly go over a pH chart. I've been working, I always work them up every day. Here's the pH chart for the day. The red arrows again are standard triggers to get in the market. We play counter trends off of all the red moves. In fact, any arrow I put on there, it's a counter trend of the previous 5 to 10 minutes. We got a trend here. We hit here perfectly on our first spike after the FOMC. Here at the end of it, we hit this to the minute, and this was a major move here from 30 back down to 80, so we had about a 50-point move down. The black arrows are on Wednesdays. We watch for these red times. This is coming from yesterday. We used the reds. Well, they tend to carry over into Wednesday a lot. As you can see, each time that I had the end of each red sub-period, I counter-trend that, and they hit pretty good. In fact, there was a couple of them that was not so strong, but the rest of them, like this one here, this one hit within 1 minute off of this, where his first move down after the FOMC. Had a nice move from here down, and then this counter trend here popped back up. So that'll be all for today. I'll be back tomorrow with another video. Thank you.